fabulous people, welcome or welcome back to my channel Keeping Intro with Aditi. This is Aditi Redkar this side. It's a new day, a new week, so let's dive straight into the video. Okay, so today is a Monday and we are done with half of our classes. Now I'm sitting in the common room of my hostel. We are studying a few things because we have a lecture in 1 hour and Shambhavi is with me, and Shambhavi has got something very very special for me, so I'll show you. She has got for me litti all the way from Patna. So she is from Patna and she's got litti for me. So actually thank you auntie, I should say thanks to auntie because she has given me with my name written right on it, so she doesn't have it in between. So thank you auntie so much if you're watching this vlog, and let's see what happens later. I'll keep you all posted about the day further. After my college got over, me and my friends headed to Delfino's to pick up the weekly groceries. We were running short of some of the groceries, so we went to Delfino's Panjim and got whatever we needed.
The next day,
our college was observing a anti-ragging week, और उसके चलते today we had a street play and slogan competition. So these are some of the clips for y'all to watch. Okay, so we are done with our lunch and now we are heading to our next class, which is a practical. And Shambhavi has Safachat a milkshake silently.
And she is having vomiting tendencies,
But I'll go to the doctor's soon today.
which I'm telling her to go since a long time, but she's not going.
But I'll go today. Okay, so I'm done with my classes for today and now I'm headed towards the doctor's clinic because I have got really bad cold. So now I'm headed to the doctor's clinic and I hope that I get well soon because it's really tiring to have cold, and especially for me because you know I get really weak when I have cold. So I just hope that I get well soon. You all also pray for me so that I get well soon. Okay, so today is a Friday and we are working in our conservative dentistry lab, but do not have connection over here. So we are waiting for the connection to come. And तबीयत तो मेरी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब चल रही है, but we are fighting through it. That is Shambhavi. She is grumpy because our work is not getting done and we are lagging with quota because of this issues that are going on. So that is what is happening. That's the update for today. However, the day go further, I'll clear. Okay, so since I'm free, I'll show you a few things that we use as dental students. So this is a jaw set or a tooth set where we practice all our cavity cuttings. So this is what it looks like. Here is a cavity that I have prepared. I'm yet to complete it and fill it. This is a Toffelmayer and a matrix band which we use to separate the adjacent teeth while we were working on the tooth. And this is how the jaw set looks like. This is a mannequin, and we also have a cap and a mask which we add to it while working. Right now I'm not working, so that's why it's in this position. This is called a handpiece, a micro motor which we connect it, and then after connecting it to the motor we can use it. We add burrs to this and then we can do the cavity cutting. I'll show you a set of burrs. These are used currently to the cavity cutting which I have done here, and there are n number of burrs which we use for different type of cavity cutting. So this is not a proper setting here because I'm not working right now, but when we work we do a proper setting, and especially when it comes to the patient we sensitize everything and disinfect, taking proper care. But this is just a mannequin and I'm not working currently, that's why the arrangements have not been done, but usually we do it. And this is our lab. That is one of my batchmates working there. It's pretty empty today because things are not working. We were just having lunch and we were just done, and I was showing Shambhavi, she's here. So I was showing her a video of Alana Pandey and her son and the family vlog. Like I was showing her the shots. So there was a video, okay, where she comes home and she hugs her father and she cries. So in my wildest dream and anybody's, I don't know if they can, Shambhavi simply comes and tells, is that Chulbul Pandey? She has identified Alana Pandey's father as Chulbul Pandey. I mean, nice. And she's justifying that, saying that because of, like, for content, she said.
Yeah, she was not getting any content for a video and it was this main week and I have to give her, you know. So I did it intentionally.
So you identified him as Chulbul Pandey?
Yeah.
Evening everyone, today is a Saturday and I am back home from college. All the college work has been done and that's it for today. Now I have to head to my cousin brother's birthday. So they stay away, they stay 1 hour away from our home, so we will be leaving soon. This is his birthday celebration actually. His birthday was on 18th. This is a post-birthday celebration. We celebrate our birthdays mostly on the weekends because all of the cousins, all of the family members can come together on the weekends. So it's better for us. So we get to celebrate with everyone. That's why we mostly celebrate our birthdays on weekend. So I'll be heading for his birthday. I'll show you what my outfit is, how my makeup turns out. I'll try to upload a short, get ready with me short. Let's see how it goes. So let's dive straight into the getting ready process because I take quite some time and then my mom gets pretty upset about it. So let's dive straight into getting ready.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I'm all ready and we have already left. I'm using this flashlight so that you all can see me. This is my final outfit. I've also shot a get ready with me shot, so do check it out. And we are almost going to reach to my cousin's house, so I'll show you how the celebration is. So I reached at my cousin's place and everybody is making the tayari to cut the cake. We are all ready. This is Dishita, she's all ready. This is the birthday boy, Bharat. This is Vaibu and she's giving me today like Korean vibes. I like her outfit. And that is Mr. Masti lying down doing his masti. Let's see what's there for dinner today. There is chicken lababdar. This is dry fry, I guess. Kingfish fry. Prawns curry. This is sauri bhaji. Chicken lollipop. Raita. This is veg gravy. Paneer, I think it is. Fried rice. We have salad over here. Plain rice. And bread. And this is everybody waiting. This is Didi, she's also looking very pretty. We are with dinner and now we are just sitting and chilling. And this is Sejal trying to give me There is Kamtharta of light right now. That's why we are doing jugaad. We're all opening the gifts. I just forgot to vlog, so I started now, but we're already done. And we're all sitting. Some of our people are already sleeping. And we're just trying the fittings of all the clothes that we got for you. So it is 12:30 right now and they are satisfying their sweet tooth. They are having custard in my hand. Yes, I can't have because I have a bad cold. But these people are, not her. These people are having it. खड़े रह कर खा रहे सब लोग हमें चिढ़ा कर. And we are, me and, yeah, it is very good, but me and Vaibhi can't have it. So बाकी सब लोग खा रहे हैं. Okay, so it is at Sunday and me and Sanish are just chilling on the bed and we are trying to sleep. Are we trying to sleep, Sanish? Sanish is tired watching phone. Yes, Sanish?
And she's tired watching making videos.
Okay, so we are all dressed up and now we are going out to an exhibition actually, and then we might also go to have dinner or might go into some cafe to have something. So some of my cousins are here, that's why we're here. There's Kalasha, Sejal and Miss Didi driving, and some of our parents, that is Mama and all of them, are going in one more car in front of us. So we all of us are. So we are done shopping and now we are coming here for dinner at Yaki Sushi. So the first are here and we are all settled. This is looking at the menu and these are, they are just settling. They have just reached, we reached first, so we settled and now the boys. And this is Sanish. Sanish, are you excited to try something? What do you want to have? Sushi? He wants to have it. Yes. Cheers. Vashi, how you like the sushi?
Very nice. Wow.
How you like
Very
it?
nice. And me.
Nice.
How you all like it?
बहुत अच्छा. Very nice.
Vashi, how you like the sushi? Oh my god. Hafsa is concentrated on the prize. Vasi, how you like it?
Very nice.
Sanish, yeah, you say you wanted sushi, no? How you like it? Yummy?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so it is the next day and I forgot to end the vlog yesterday because we were super tired, so we just came home and crashed on the bed. Anyways, thank you so much for being here and watching my vlogs. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Do leave a like and a comment and do share with your near and dear ones so we grow as a family. This is me, Aditi Redkar, signing off. I'll see you soon on the next video.